Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O, and I'm charging up my electric vehicle right this second. Or let's just say I'm putting a boost on my electric vehicle right now. My name is Daddy-O. I do some Ubering and a little bit of YouTube, and I do an electric vehicle. And gas prices are not coming down anytime soon, and I'm so happy I'm in an electric vehicle. For you guys that have been subscribing, thank you very much. It's been a great month so far this month, so I appreciate you. And for you guys also, I have started a membership thing on here. If you want to join the membership, I'm putting videos on now that I cannot talk about on here. All right, there's some things that I know and I do to do Uber that I will not put just out for the general public. All right, so I'm gonna be putting videos out every so often on some of this stuff, and so if you like, you can be a member and get access to some of this information. And I'm chuckling about it because I don't want to talk about it on here. But anyway, I get comments from people from time to time talking about the side money that you can make doing Uber, the money, the extra stuff that you can do, callbacks, stuff like that. So I address that in the membership thing. I will not tell you how to play that game on here. All right, that's separate. All right. Anyway, and you guys that want to do a YouTube channel, there's videos on here for you also on that now. But anyway, electric vehicles. I am so glad, like I've said in other videos before, that I'm in one. Now look, here's what I do. I rent through Avis to do my Uber in. For you guys that don't know, Avis has been absolutely fantastic to rent through to do Uber. I used to use, or I started off using Hertz. I will never ever use Hertz again. So you guys are having to use Hertz because that's all that's available in your area. I understand. If you can keep trying Avis, get in with Avis if you can, because I have better vehicles. I've gotten better results. The people are better. They don't screw around with your money as much as Hertz did. So if you got to do a rental to do your Ubering in, I highly recommend Avis right now, okay? Because I've been with them coming up on 4 years now. I've been continuously in a rental vehicle to do my Ubering in. So those questions I get asked, Hertz, Avis, Hertz, Avis. If you have to do Hertz, that's all that's available. I understand, but try to switch over to Avis like I did as soon as you can. I was with Hertz for I think a month and a half, and that let me know I didn't want to stay with them any longer, and I was able to switch over to Avis. So anyway, that's the kudos for Avis. And I don't get paid from Avis. I don't get paid from Uber to talk about this. I get accused of that quite often on here. I am not that guy. From your lips to God's ears, though. I'll take it. So, yeah, rent you a vehicle. Skip this gas prices. Gas prices have come down a little bit here recently in my area. I get it from comments. Comment, subscribe, ring the bell, do the thumbs up. From the comments I get on here, I have quite a few regulars that let me know what's going on in their areas. They keep me informed on the prices. And we all know that the prices have come down a few cents, all right? But if you watch the news, gas prices are just hanging there right now. It's fixing to go higher, all right? So that's killing a lot of Uber drivers that want to come out here and do Uber. I get comments from you guys too that are the gas prices are killing you. They're hurting you. They're doing away with your business. Yeah, but keep me informed, all right? That's how I let other people know what's going on. I got one right here. I think he's talking about the membership. He's thinking about becoming a membership here. The gas prices are at $3.99 to $4.29 in this gentleman's area. So I have people that keep me informed on what's going on in their area with the gas prices. We all know that it's hurting Uber, and it's going to continue to hurt Uber as long as you're doing gas. I come out here last night. Now, my vehicle last night was ran down hard. I ran it down hard last night. It cost me $27 to bring my vehicle back up to full charge last night. I have an extended mileage Mustang. All right, I can handle that. I just did a run out this way. I ran it around a little bit last night after I topped off. Ran it a little bit this morning. I had a run that come out this way within a couple miles of where the high speed is. I'm just topping off one more time. So when I'm sitting here 15 minutes or so, I'll be topped back off. I'll be ready to go back to work. All right, with a full battery for the rest of the day. It's not that hard, okay? If you can charge a vehicle in your area, go get your electric. Skip all the BS and the hassle and everything else. And I've told you before, with the rental, you get the unlimited mileage, you get the roadside assistance, you get. I need right now, I think I'm gonna have to pull in and have them check the tires on this thing. That's all I have to worry about on my rental, is my tires and my wiper blades. That's it. Don't worry about nothing else. Just get up and go to work. All right, so I think it's time, because I don't have to go oil changes. I need to have them check the tires on this vehicle. They may need to be rotated. So you have to just pull in every so often and have them do that. I need a new windshield wiper blade. One's gotten kind of worn. So I might have them check that. So that's all you do. I don't have to worry about none of this stuff. All right? It makes Ubering very easy. I don't know how else to say it. It makes Ubering easy to not worry about a whole bunch of stuff, other than charging up my vehicle every day and going to work. That's it. Ooh, I'm getting a message from Uber. Do I want to do that? No, I don't want to do that. See, that's the acceptance thing. I told you before, you take the runs that you want to do. Don't worry about those runs where they want to send you somewhere else you don't want to go. And where that run was, I don't want to go. It's not going to pay me no tip. I know. I've told you before on here, and I'm going to just talk for a little bit here. I've told you before on here, we're out here working. I work for the tips. I don't work for the money. I don't work for the fare. So I know, because I work my area, I know that run there that was trying to come to me is not going to pay me a tip on the end of it. All right? It's just not going to happen. I watch for the runs that I know that's going to pay me a tip, or I can work for a tip. Those are the runs that I try to accept, and I work it to the hilt. All right? And I don't worry about that darn acceptance rate. I've told you this stuff before. So go get your rental vehicle and get your electric. If they'll let you have an electric, if you can work it out. Now, I'll tell you one more time. I haven't told this in a while in some of the videos. The way you find out about this is Uber Marketplace. Uber Marketplace is how you find out about your rental vehicles. What's available in your area, you can find that in your app, or you can Google search it. Find out if they got electrics in your area, and if it'll work for you. Go try it for a week. I recommend that. Go try Uber electric for a week and see if that would, if you can't, if you work it, you'll make more money. All right, I got a lot of people on here that are commenting, let me know that since they got an electric, they're working it and they're making more money. All right, and they're saving some money too, because they're not having to pay that damn high gas prices. And like I say, gas prices are going to go back up again. They're not going to come down anytime soon. We're in a little lull period right now, and as soon as this little lull happiness period gets over and summer gets into full swing, and people start doing a lot more traveling, gas prices are going to go up. Try the electric before that all happens. See if it'll work for you. Try it for a week. See what happens. I guarantee you, if you get your rental or electric for a week, you'll make more money. You will. Go watch some of my videos on here about the things you do, the little extra stuff that you do along the way. You'll make more money. Just the way it is. And I'm going to get comments from people saying, oh, no. Listen. You can. I've done it. Other people are doing it. It's not a new thing. Rental vehicles to do Ubering has been around for a while. I've been doing it for right at 4 years now. So yes, you can make more money when you rent a vehicle and you work it. All right. It's just that simple. You will do more runs. All right. I just had a vehicle from Colorado pull into the electric vehicle thing here to charge up. They drove all the way from Colorado with an electric vehicle, it looks like. Anyway, kudos, guys. Thumbs up. Subscribe, ring the bell, do all that kind of stuff. Check out, see if you want to become a member, because there's stuff on there that I talk about on there that I will not put on this channel like this. All right, so some of it's kind of hush. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. Daddy-O out for right this second. Bye.